If you want to build your English vocabulary, then follow these 5 steps. Number 1, read regularly. Because reading is a great way to expose yourself to new words and phrases. Number 2, use flashcard app, because this app helps you to memorize new words and phrases and also helps you to practice. Number 3, watch English language movies and TV shows, because it's a very fun and immersive way to learn new vocabulary. So focus on watching and listening. Number 4, use a context dictionary. Context dictionary is a type of dictionary where you can find how a word is used in different contexts. So use it. And the last one, number 5, try to use those new words and phrases that you have learned in your everyday conversation and writing. And remember to be patient and consistent. You will eventually see the result.